5 easy meal prep ideas for busy professionals. 1. Grilled chicken salad. Grill chicken breasts in bulk and refrigerate. Chop up some veggies like lettuce, cucumbers, and tomatoes. Combine them with the chicken for a quick salad throughout the week. Add a variety of dressings for flavor. 2. Quinoa and veggie stir fry. Cook a batch of quinoa and chop up your favorite veggies like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. Stir fry them together with some soy sauce or your favorite seasoning for a nutritious meal. 3. Mason jar salads. Layer mason jars with your favorite salad ingredients like lettuce, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and beans. Keep the dressing separate until you're ready to eat to avoid soggy salads. 4. Sheet pan dinners. Preheat your oven and line a sheet pan with foil for easy cleanup. Toss chopped vegetables like sweet potatoes, bell peppers, and onions with olive oil and seasoning. Add your protein of choice, like salmon or tofu, and bake until cooked through. 5. Burrito bowls. Cook a large batch of rice and beans. Portion them into containers and add toppings like avocado, salsa, cheese, and grilled chicken or tofu. These bowls are customizable and can be reheated quickly for a satisfying meal.